watermelon. Genius! Green apple. Wonderful! Orange bell pepper. The bunny wants to sit in the trolley that's the same color as they are. That's right. Blue lump. Wonderful blue jelly. Wonderful blue blueberry. Wonderful green cucumber. That's right. Orange carrot. Genius! Awesome! I'm impressed with your work. Some tasty cookies. Move the rolling pin up and down to roll a dough. Drag the cookie cutters to the dough with the right silhouette on it. Oval. Oval. Circle. 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 Triangle. Oval. Circle. Time for a snack. Decorate the cookies with cream from the tubes and serve them to the little ones. Look for clues on the aprons. Dog. Blue triangle. Green circle. Green circle. Brilliantly. Green circle. Green circle. Green circle. Green circle. Green circle. Red. Red. Excellent. Bravo! The cookies are delicious. Two. 1. The apron will show you how many treats they want to eat. 2. Mushroom. 2. Done. Brilliant. Very good. 1. 1. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. 4. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. Thank you. All of them are well fed and happy.